In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the code on this styled master lock. So the default code on this lock, like many, is all zeros. The way that this lock is built, you are going to open based off of what this combination is on the side profile. It is not any of the other numbers. So you put in 4 zeros and it opens. And you, of course, are going to want to change the code from 4 zeros. So this is how you do that. Once you have your code in this case it's 4 zeros, you'll open your lock and turn it counterclockwise 90 degrees. You're then going to press it down and suppress it, and then turn it another counterclockwise 90 degrees. There's going to be some tension when you turn it that way. You are now in the reset position. So at this point, you can change your code to whatever you want. In this case, for the point of the video, I'm going to do 2233. Then you will turn it clockwise 90 degrees, lift up, and then turn another 90, close, and twist your dial. It should not open at that point. Let's verify that it does not open on 0000 either. The old code does not work. But if I go to my new code, I just set 2233, it opens right up. So that's how you reset this. It's pretty simple. Just remember, you got to go counterclockwise. A couple things to note on the construction of this. Notice how there's a little wedge that's sticking out of metal right here on this post. If you look on the inside of this black cast, you can see that there is a hole here and a hole here where that protruding piece of metal is going to drop into. That's why it doesn't work if you go anywhere in this region. It has to be either in this position or here. All right, I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.